Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIGL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today for the price. But not only the price, you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time. Yeah, it's had some surges like you'd have, right there. But when it comes to especially the consistency, just biggest volume, by far. And, it's not even an argument. So definitely firing on both cylinders here from a price action and volume perspective. So let's first start by talking about areas of support. First level is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $3.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at the 305 mark. So 320, 305, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, because I realize this purple line is way down there, and then the current price is way up there. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. So to gauge the health of that, again, use that purple line. As the purple line moves itself higher as time goes by, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, then I'm sure you know exactly where I'm going with this, but right up there at $3.42. Multiple times today, the bulls try to get up through that mark, but each and every time, there's clearly some sellers sitting up right around that 340, 341, 342, whatever you want to call it. But this zone on the chart is definitely where the sellers are currently residing, so that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Great start to the week, so we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.